Hi guys, so today I will be talking about starting at the top, Cellucor C4 Ultimate Pre-Workout, the most explosive pre-workout. It has 20 servings, and then at this corner it just says ID series, and this is in the cherry limeade naturally flavored dietary supplement, and it just says the net weight at the bottom. The net weight is 380 g, 13.4 ounces. And then guys, something that I believe is very important and something that I always stick by, supplement facts. So it just tells you like the serving size, 1 scoop, servings per container, calories, total carbohydrates. And usually I wouldn't read through all of this, but I will explain to you guys a little bit later on why I am deciding to read through all of it. Use my nails, guys, I'm sorry. It just has the niacin, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, calcium as calcium silate, and then all of this good stuff. And then it just says C4 Ultimate Energy and Focus Blend. And yeah, it just tells you the other ingredients in it. And if you keep on turning, and I think this is very important for any pre-workout or dietary supplement, because you always want to know like what you're putting in your body, especially when it comes to like dietary supplements, in my opinion. But at the top is just the suggested use, and then at the bottom it's just the warning. I will get into talking about this a little bit later. The suggested use is just like take 1 serving, 1 scoop, with 10 to 12 fluid ounces of water 20 to 30 minutes before training. During your workout, if recommended that you drink plenty of water or a performance beverage such as Cellucor and an alpha amino to stay hydrated. Some individuals may experience a harmless tingling sensation, which is attributable to beta-alanine. Use only as directed. And then over here, which I really appreciate about this brand, is customize your C4 experience. It just over here, it just tells you like energy, focus, pumps, endurance, and then over here it's just like C4 Sport, C4 Original, C4 Zero, C4 RIP, C4 Extreme Energy. And yeah, you can just put check marks where it puts check marks, like where it hits and stuff like that. So getting started talking about this pre-workout, I first came encounter with it. So when I was younger, I never thought that I would be like the workout type, but it literally was just like one of those things where I just got into it because it became a stress reliever for me as I became an adult. And my dad actually really got me into working out. He was just like very advocate about me and all my siblings finding something that he felt like could release like any like stress that we had or tension that we had throughout the day. So that is how I started working out. And then after I became like an advocate, like after I became like working out or started working out a lot and things along that line, then I really started learning about different like dietary supplements, and then pre-workout, protein shakes, protein milkshake. I really started like investing my money in like vitamins and things like that. And yeah, so my dad actually, he lives by this stuff. He actually like super loves this stuff, and I really got into the cherry limeade flavor because of him. But this, honestly guys, one of the best supplements in my opinion, just one of the best, not the best in my opinion, but one of the best supplements that you could take before working out. I love pre-workout, and I know there's like other brands that have different kinds of pre-workout, but I think that this brand is honestly like such a good brand for pre-workout. Honestly, like it really worked. I usually take it, so on the side of the bottle it says 20 to 30 minutes before your workout, and I usually take it 40 minutes before I work out, just because I walk to my gym. So I consider like me walking, and usually like I might do a light jog, so that's like a little bit of a workout to me. But you guys should wait 20 to 30 minutes if you guys don't plan on doing like anything but just waiting. Something else that I find really, really cool about this product too, and I say this a million times, but I'm a big stickler on the way brands like market their products, and I love the way this bottle is. It gives you so much for your money. And guys, dietary supplements are so expensive. Like, I can't even stress that. And this, in my opinion, is affordable, but you just have to know anything you're spending your money on, it's an investment. But just in general, dietary supplements are very expensive, guys. Like, they're not going to be cheap. Does it work? Yes. And it's just an investment that you would have to make into your body and into your workout regimen. I do suggest this one. I love C4 Ultimate. I got tongue tied. I'm sorry, guys. Cherry limeade flavor is so good, guys. I suggested one of my favorites, and what I do is I'll take a couple of lemons and squeeze some lemons in there too, and it turns out really, really good. So I definitely suggest this. Like I said again before, this is just the C4 Ultimate, the most explosive pre-workout, and this is just in the cherry limeade natural flavor, and this is just a dietary supplement, net weight 380 grams.